Apsara, good to go?
Yeah, good to go.
Awesome.
So my course name is Contentpreneurship, and my target audiences are who are good at writing English but cannot express themselves through. They are not good at spoken English. So I am going to create the content writing course in regional language in Bengali and help them understand the copywriting jargons and digital marketing jargons and start their freelancing journey and make them contentpreneurs.
Okay. So age group of these people?
25 to 35.
Okay, men or women?
Both, both.
Okay. And they're already working, or they are not having any job, or they want to
Right, right now, I am just teaching 4 people, and 4 of them actually lost their jobs during COVID.
Okay. They lost their job during COVID. So do you want to focus on people who have lost their job in COVID, or
Actually, that was not my focus. My
right?
focus was completely different, but they got interested after seeing my post and everything, and they pinged me, so I started teaching them.
Okay. No, but how many people lost their job after COVID and have this do not have spoken expression, but have a very well written expression?
Hmm.
No, I see that the people who are okay. So the people who are already earning some income and they want additional income, is it for them, or is it for homemakers who have great, who have great expression and they want to, earn some additional income, or women who are looking for alternate career choices after maternity? Who is it for?
So initially, my target class was like for those who are stuck in their career and who doesn't have any kind of specialization like MBA or something like that.
Okay.
And so this that was my target group. But what I am experiencing, most of my students are actually my college mates, my classmates. What is happening with me? Actually, my classmates are contacting me,
Hmm.
so they are actually learning from me. They lost their jobs. उनमें से बहुत सारे ऐसे भी है कि चलो बच्चा बड़ा हो जाए उसके बाद हम करियर फिर से शुरू करेंगे. So it's a mix and match batch.
Okay, so can you do one thing? Can you just, for every type of people who have worked with you, can you draw their profile
Mm-hmm.
in the past and in the present? Can you just write down their profile, who they are, what they do,
Mm-hmm.
and why they have come to you? Okay, why they have come to you?
I know why they have come to me because they have already explained that way. We trust you. We know you are doing this successfully. So I want to learn from you.
No, so okay. Suppose my husband also trusts you, okay, and he knows you are doing this, okay, and he likes you. So will he come to the program? But he does not have any written expression nor spoken expression. So he's not your target audience, no.
Mm-hmm.
So it is not, they trust Apsara, they know what Apsara is doing, so people will come, right? It is about them, it is not about you. Yeah. So yeah, so it is about them, right? So one thing you said very nicely कि वो graduate नहीं है, MBA नहीं किया है, BE नहीं किया है, हो सकता है 10th पास हो, 12th पास हो, आर्ट्स किया है, कुछ और किया है, right? So then your communication is, it doesn't matter whether you have degree or not, right? Then immediately you are focusing on people who have degree, who don't have degree, right? It doesn't matter whether you have a degree or not, and anytime you can make your career. If you have a flair for words, if you are unable to speak but you write well, I invite you to become contentpreneurs, right? So that is why when you abhi aap hi ne bataya right, you only said that कि डिग्री विग्री नहीं है चलेगा, मैं सिखाऊंगी, right? So that, so now you only have given your target audience, degree हो चाहे नहीं हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, that becomes your content. Second, you can also say doesn't matter whether you are starting second innings. Doesn't matter. You are actually talking about your target audience in your campaign only now. Whatever I'm telling right now. Okay, kids are grown up, and now you want to do something for yourself, and you have a flair for words. So you can create different ad sets. One focused only on this. One focused on degree, no degree. One resuming life after second innings. There are so many elderly people who have the शब्द अच्छे होते हैं लेकिन डिजिटल कुछ आता नहीं है, पता नहीं कि कुछ इनकम कमा सकते हैं क्या. But they write well. So even elderly people are your target audience. Why you right? So but what you can do is, because finally you can create different ad sets with different target audience and get them all together in the room. But that clarity.
Vandana, sorry to interrupt, but I wanted to tell her she has the biggest target audience: armed forces officers' wives and Jawan's wives, because they can't pursue their career and they want to do something in life. And if you target them, they will definitely come to you.
Awesome. Very nice. But उनको बोल रहे ना, they should have written expression.
No, they are very high. They are highly qualified, and because of the remote areas, they are stuck.
Awesome, beautiful. So that's superb. Thank you so much, Suman. Right, you found me focus army Jawan. Nobody's targeting them right now. So she straight away got this. So
armed forces बोलो आप, जवान और वो सब मत बोलो. Armed forces wives are like you can target them.
मुझे ये बताओ अप्सरा, what is your mission statement?
My mission statement is actually my mission statement was creating digital nomads through contentpreneurship, but that got changed. So I am just right now it was switched in creating contentpreneurs out of bong speakers.
Creating contentpreneurs out of bong speakers. Mission, आपका vision क्या है? क्या करना चाहते हो? Why are you doing this?
Why I mean decided to do the digitization of my knowledge.
No.
If you want to, sorry.
Why are you empowering people to become contentpreneurs?
Because I hate 9-to-5 jobs.
Okay.
And I think a contentpreneur can create jobs rather than roaming around with his or her resume in hand and getting rejected just because they doesn't have any special kind of skill.
Okay, so I like that. Okay, 9-to-5 jobs. Do you hate your 9-to-5 jobs? That itself is an opening statement of your.
See, I started my career as a content writer because I was looking for something which will allow me to be in any city of India with just my laptop.
Okay.
I just need laptop and Wi-Fi connection, and I'll be in Uttarakhand forever and after.
Okay.
So that was the first thing I chose content writing as my career.
So what is your vision? Let's say when people are able to become contentpreneurs, they are no longer in 9-to-5 jobs. They are doing this work from anywhere in the world. So what happens in their life? So what happens in the world because of that? What is happening to these kind of people who were struggling with something and they are empowered with your content writing? They are doing the content writing and they're also earning well, and they can work from any place in the world. So what is happening to this person, and because of this person, what is changing in the world?
First of all, people are defining freedom in a very narrow way. Freedom is not about becoming financially free or something. Freedom is something, or independence is something which will not bind me with any place or time. I will be financially free. I can utilize my time as per my will, and I can be anywhere. So most of us are actually being part of any institution or being part of any corporate, and we are every day fighting against our will. That is not our passion. We are not working out of our passion. Just because I hate working from 9-to-5. my usual working hours is 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. That is the true freedom. And
Yes.
and the client is getting quality just because he is not forcing me to do na chalo aapko 10 a.m. ही मेरे को file भेजना है. No, it will be my final call. No, I cannot send you 10 a.m. file. If you can accept at 6 a.m., I can give you that.
I thank you so much. You brought one important word which was going on within me for you, but I'm happy that it came from your mouth. You used a very powerful word, will. As per their will, right? So, so what happens, you're empowering people to live a life of free will.
Yeah, king of your own kingdom kind of a thing.
Sorry?
King of your own kingdom kind of a thing.
King of your own kingdom. So that's your vision, right? Basically, you want people to experience true freedom. But for people to experience true freedom, you are giving them via contentpreneurship, right? But basically, your main purpose, why you are doing all these things, is because you want people to live a free life. So living, empowering people to live a life of free will. That itself is that can become your vision statement. That's my suggestion. Why don't you write it down and you can refine it later? Empowering people to live a life of free will and experience true freedom. Make sense?
Yeah.
And then your mission statement will come. So this is done, but I just wanted, because I want you to have that clarity. I wish, why don't you go and look at the recordings and come up with your vision? I just helped you with the vision statement. Mission statement is the doing. So what will you do? You already said that what you are doing. So just align that and you're good to go. Great. So target audience, you have to narrow it further down, as I said. Look at all your different types of target audience, and think about new target audience like army, spouses of armed forces. Spouses.
Even there are many people who are basically housewives who actually get 2 to 3 hours only a day. Yeah, they can utilize that particular time to write a content.
So I have a lot of ideas for you, right? Because आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग भी मालूम है, हर टाइप का ऑडियंस के लिए आप अलग-अलग एड सेट बनाओ ना. Run various campaigns, 10 campaigns, each focused on a specific type. Homemaker who has only 2 to 3 hours. Homemaker who wants to do something, okay, kids grown up, teenager kids or whatever, kids are whatever, settled kids. And now
when I was talking to Suman ji, I just told her that क्या होता है कि किड्स बड़े हो गए और सब कुछ हो गया, बहुत सारे लोग जो है सीवी लेके कहीं कंपनी में जाते हैं तो लोग उनको पूछते हैं कि अरे 5-6 साल तुम कहाँ थी. ये गैप, ये रेज्यूमे में जो गैप है, बहुत सारी जगह पे बहुत सारे कॉर्पोरेट हाउस वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करते हैं. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है, जितना भी गैप हो, 20 साल का भी गैप हो, चलेगा.
So this exactly what you're speaking is the content that will go on the Facebook campaign. So my input to you is there are a lot of people like this, and your target audience is, you have many target audience for this one offering. And I am not saying that stick to one type of target audience to you. Why? Because you know that all these people will come together under one program for you. So because you have different target audience and you can run different ad sets and you can create custom audience for each of these. Basically, you are empowering people to live a life of free will and experience true freedom by working whenever they want to work, wherever they want to work, whenever, whatever, wherever. We discussed that, right? WWW, my model, right? That one, right? So great, good to go.